Hello, this is Michael Miller with Catawba Direct Marketing Solutions. Thanks for tuning in to our webinar entitled Event Marketing One-to-One, How to Increase Event Attendance. In this webinar, we're going to discuss how to drive traffic to your event, whether it be an open house, trade show, webinar, or grand opening. We're also going to discuss how we use integrated marketing to drive visitors to our spring open house, and how to use the most effective event marketing channels, including print, email, mobile, and landing pages. So effective event marketing uses integrated marketing and one-to-one marketing. Integrated marketing is the application of consistent brand messaging across both traditional and non-traditional marketing channels. So what this means is when you're using a combination of channels, including email, direct mail, landing pages, mobile marketing, everything needs to have a consistent look and feel to it so your customers or prospects aren't confused with the different pieces coming in. One-to-one marketing is the art and science of communicating with every customer or prospect in a personalized manner such that they feel they are being addressed directly. So with our integrated marketing campaigns, we use personalized URLs, we use first name, different ways to personalize the actual pieces going out so the customer feels they're being addressed directly. Common applications for events using integrated marketing are trade shows, webinars, open houses, and tours. Tours being student tours, usually for universities, where students can register for those and come check out the university. The integrated marketing ingredients that we use are multi-channel branding, including direct mail, email, landing pages, and mobile. We also use personalized URLs and variable QR codes. Automation, so we can plan when an email will go out, how many days later a direct mail piece will go out. If the recipient responds to any of the pieces based on the landing page that they're visiting, there can be an automated email that's responding to the way that they responded to the actual landing page. We also have complete reporting and analytics for the whole system. So I'll go through each of these in a little more detail through the next slides. Multi-channel branding, it's important to be consistent, complementary messaging across email, web, mobile, social media, and print. So here's an example of how we branded our spring open house. We went with a Rise Above theme, rise above your current marketing strategies, and we had a giraffe theme because we actually had a baby giraffe at the event that our customers or prospects could have their photo taken with, and then we printed a personalized poster before they left. We also had business tips and tricks on how to use direct marketing. We also had a food catered in as well as drinks. So you can see how everything here has a cohesive look to it. If you got a series of these pieces, everything would make sense and you understand exactly what the information had. So we also use personalized URLs. A personalized URL is a unique and personalized web address created especially for each target customer or prospect who receives your marketing communication. Personalized URLs contain the recipient's name and site a web address. So you can see in the bottom left corner here, annabron.radioshack.com. You actually append the recipient's first name and last name to the domain name, which creates a personalized URL. And this is really the beginning of the whole process. This is how we can track who's visiting the landing pages and their responses per recipient. You can see on the postcard we used for our open house, right here there is a personalized URL. It's www.toddblair.cdmsopenhouse.com. This recipient could actually key this name, their URL, into their computer and then go to the landing page to register for the event. We also used variable QR codes on our pieces. A QR code is a quick response code when scanned by a phone, can open a web link, dial a phone number, view a map location, download an application, and more. You can use QR codes to engage your targets with unique and personal offers no matter the device. So here you can see the QR code that we use to drive recipients to their personalized landing page. Basically, we took the personalized URL and embedded that into a QR code format So recipients could scan with their mobile phone, or actually their smartphone, or a tablet, or any type of device that they could scan a QR code with, and it'll go directly to a mobile landing page where they could register for the event. So each piece that is printed, the QR code is actually changing in and out based on the personalized URL data that we're embedding into the piece. We also used a personalized email that had a personalized URL link in it. So you can see this red arrow here is pointing to a link that said click here to register for the open house, and whenever they clicked on that, they would go directly to the landing page where they could register for the event. The personalized landing page had the same look and feel as all the other pieces. This is what we were directing them to register for the event. And as you can see here, since we have the information already, we can pre-fill their name. So the full name was in this field already, company name, email address. All they had to enter in was the number of attendees that would attend the event. So this is a great option because recipients don't have to do as much work. They just have to type in the number of people attending the event. A lot of times if you have to fill in a bunch of fields, you start to have a drop off. So it's better to do as much work for them as you can, so it's very easy for them to respond to your marketing campaigns. The reporting and analytics we use, our platform features built-in analytics on every email, landing page, QR code, and mail piece sent through our system, with visibility over total performance down to the level of individual targets. So we were driving people to register to our open house through direct mail, personalized URLs, QR codes, and email. All of that was driving to a personalized landing page where they could RSVP. You can also have a generic landing page set up if you don't have a customer database, or if you just want to try to attract other people besides your customer database. You could have a banner on your website that's going to this landing page to register. You could write a blog about your event, and people could read about it and then register by putting the link within the blog. You could share on social media that link to register for the event, or you could have it in your email signatures as well. So here's another quick shot of how we did the campaign. We had the first touch was initial email, which included a personalized URL link that they could click, which would take them to their RSVP landing page, and they could put in the number of attendees and submit for the event. We had a follow-up printed invite in the bottom left corner here. This piece had a personalized URL and a personalized QR code that was driving them to the event as well. Then we did an email reminder and then a postcard reminder, all driving them to the RSVP landing page. The event was a success. We invited 622 people, and we had 29 landing page responses. We had 5 email responses, which were, I gave the option for people just to email me directly if they wanted to register that way. And then 6 people actually called directly to register for the event. So we had a 6.5% response rate. The total number of guests after all attendees were tallied was 75. So it was a very successful event. We got to meet a lot of new potential customers and share our new marketing technologies with our existing customers. During the event, we posted some pictures on Facebook of how it went. You can see here, this is a personalized poster we printed for the event. You can see it's personalized up here. Welcome Michael Miller. They had their picture taken with the baby giraffe, whose name is Gerald actually, and those were printed on site before they left, so they got to take those home with them. We also took pictures of Gerald with our customers, so it was a fun event. Worked out very nice, and we got to show integrated marketing, how it actually works to drive them to our event, which then they could turn around and use for their future marketing campaigns. So that concludes our presentation here. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you around.